Hi guys. Nayagan ko lang. Eskwelahan na ako. Ingat kayo. The best. Double back shot. Katula pa ning kapidan ni classmate na ako. Kani kay grade.
Ikaw sila lagi.
Grade 2 naman eh. Pa na nga kay para po sa na. Gabi kay boys.
Meow.
Makin na nagagawa.
Sila lagi. Ikaw.
Need to chill out. Need to chill out, bro.
Bro, where is this guy?
Oh, it's that.
Syukur nampak. Nampak syukur.
Say hi, say hi. I don't care. Yeah, you don't care? Okay, I don't care about your channel too.
Me too, because you don't have my legendary TikTok.
I don't care about TikTok. I care about you. But I do watch TikTok. I don't have a account of TikTok. At least I have 2 phones.
My Dapa is legendary. Ako sama.
Uy! 2v1, bro. Ito panala na ng dulaan, ha? Init tayo.
The flag has been taken. Go, bro.
Vladimir free. Asa si mo nawong?
Bro, why do guy need a match?
My mother's like at the cafeteria. Mana na tapi ganina rin ka na.
Friend ba ni mo kung green? Kung green, teammate na ni mo kung red. Bad guy na. Bro, I have the flag. Where do I put this? Yeah, di ba pwede mga
Anak guys.
Stay with the
Kapit sa quarry. Kapit ng bago.
Bro, do I put that flag here?
Apo. Joriri.
No, you keep moving so you won't die.
Ow, bro.
Ano lugay man eh? Ga-find, don't you teammates ga-find other.
May pa magdula tag silent or vampire or assault. Well, what is on the gymnastic board? Grass. This is our stage. Ganina mo sana. The vlog wanna watch. Ano tingnan watch?
Where is Lilbo? Uy, asa di? Ano dugay man ni na match? Where is Lilbro? David, where is Lilbro?
Bye. So guys. Bye bye guys.